What's up, everybody? I'm Jason, and you're watching Tennessee Mountain Homestead. Today, we're going to switch up some gears from the usual video that we do, like building tractors and working on automotive stuff. We're going to go ahead and start working on the house. Now, I haven't been up here. We're behind the house right now. It's been a couple years since I've been up here, and we do have an issue when it rains excessively. I'm talking crazy excessively. What's it called? Unprecedented rainfall. It leaks like a basement because the house is underground back here. So what we want to do is dig a French drain across the back of the house and continue the trench all the way to the creek. I've got some tubing, some drainage tubing, and probably switched a PVC pipe over there. Anyway, I just got up here and we've got some cleanup to do. Before we even can start digging, we need to clear up all this brush. We've got some tarps from the past laid out, hoping that would help mitigate water intrusion, which it does to an extent. But these tarps are junk. They're going to be out of here. And like I said, we got this tree and that tree. They're not quite in the way of the trench, but they need to go because they're a liability. They could fall on the house during high winds or something, right? And they're just getting taller. So with that, we're going to get started. This is part one, day one. And I don't know how many parts it's going to take, but we'll take you all along with us. Let's go. Hey, dude, whoa. So the tree kind of leans over the house. It's not a heavy tree and it cuts easy. I don't know what species it is, but I don't want this thing to fall on the house. Even if I cut it right, there's always a chance. You never know. And I'm not going to do any of those crazy hinge cuts or nothing like that. So we're going to tie a rope to it. We're going to throw it over top of the wall over here behind the house. And I'm going to tie it to my tractor, and we're going to put a bunch of tension on the rope so it's pulling it towards the street, which you guys can't see, but the rope will not let it fall towards the house, and I'll cut it accordingly so it doesn't want to fall that way anyhow. Just safeguard.
All right, there you got that.
Definitely need a lot more rope. I think I gotta pull it. Watch out, Stephanie. that tree was sketched. That thing was literally over the house.
These don't even come near the house. I mean.
What's up, guys? It's been a few hours and we got those trees cleared out, and we were able to do it without any collateral damage. The house didn't get damaged. The trees fell the way we wanted them to. It helped with the ropes to pull them out of the way. Honestly, these trees weren't even heavy. A lot of the limbs were dead, and I don't even know what species of tree they were, but they just dropped leaves all up in our rain gutter, all up on the roof. And like I said, in high winds, which we get quite often around here, they could possibly fall on the house in the future, so I think it's best they go. Now, it's a lot more open back here, and we're gonna get started bright and early tomorrow. Tomorrow being Saturday. Today's Black Friday after Thanksgiving. So we're gonna pull these old tarps up, you can see behind me, and we're gonna start raking and brushing away, clear out all these weeds and stuff that's been growing out here for a couple years. And we'll show you guys more tomorrow what's under those tarps. Because I did start back here several years ago and just never finished it. We started building tractors. A lot more fun than this. Anyway, that's gonna do it for the video. My name's Jason.
I'm Stefan.
You're watching Tennessee Mountain Homestead, and we'll see you tomorrow.